everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a quick question. If I suddenly ask you, can you introduce yourself in English, what would happen? Would you speak confidently or would you smile, panic a little and say my name is Rahul, then get blank, then stop? If that's you, don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll teach you a very easy self-introduction in English. We'll do it together, step by step. You don't need difficult grammar, you don't need advanced vocabulary, just simple English that you can start using today. So let's begin. First, I want you to remember one important thing. Many beginners think they need to speak long, beautiful English to impress people. That's not true. When you meet someone for the first time, people don't expect a speech. They just want to know a basic things about you. So today we'll learn exactly that. We'll learn basic introduction that you can say with confidence. Let's build your introduction one sentence at a time. Ready? The first sentence is the easiest. Hello, I am. That's it. For example, hello, I am Rahul. Hello, I am Priya. Notice I said I am, not myself Rahul. Many beginners say myself Rahul, but in natural English we say I am Rahul or I am Priya. Simple, right? Not myself or I am. My name is Rahul. Now pause this video and say your name by your own. Go ahead. Hello, I am. Great. Now let's another sentence. Tell people who are you from. You can say I'm from Delhi, I'm from UP, I'm from Bihar, I'm from Odisha, I'm from India. Very easy. Now we got two lines from our introduction. Hello, I am Rahul, I am from Delhi. Now let's add one more sentence. Tell people what you do. For example, if you are a student, then say I am a student. If you are a teacher, then say I am a teacher. If you are an engineer, then say I am an engineer. I work in a private company. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Simple sentences are always better than complicated and full of mistake sentences. Now, let's make it a little more interesting. Tell people what your hobby. Maybe you enjoy reading, maybe you love to cook. You can simply say, I enjoy reading books. I like watching movies. I love listening to music. Just one hobby is enough. You don't have to tell your whole life story. Now look at what we have created. Hello, I am Rahul. I am from Delhi. I am a student. I enjoy reading books. Nice to meet you. That's a complete introduction. And guess what? It sounds so natural. But here is something important. Your introduction changes depending on the situation. Imagine the teacher says, please introduce yourself. You can say, hello everyone, I am Sneha, I am from Delhi, I am a college student, I am learning English because I want to speak confidently, I enjoy watching English videos, nice to meet you all. Perfect. Now imagine you are in a job interview. Would you say exactly the same thing? Not really. In an interview, you can say, good morning, I am Amit, I am from Bhubaneswar, I completed my graduation last year, I am a quick learner and I am improving my English communication skills. Thank you. See the difference. Same person, different situation. Now let's talk about three common mistakes. The first one, myself Riya. Don't ever use myself. Say I am Riya or my name is Riya. Don't ever use myself. The second mistake, I am belong to Delhi. Not I am belong to Delhi. I belong to Delhi or I am from Delhi. And the third mistake is speaking too fast. Many learners think fast English means fluent English. But it's not. Speak slowly. Take a small pause. Smile. People will understand you much better. Now I have a challenge for you. Don't just watch this video. Practice with me. I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Hello. I am Rahul. I am from Delhi. I am a student and I like to watch English movies. Nice to meet you all. Very good. See, you just introduce yourself in English. Remember, nobody becomes fluent in one day. Every confident speaker started exactly where you are today. The only difference is they kept practicing. Practice this introduction every day in front of mirror. Record yourself on your phone. Listen to your voice. After 1 week, you will notice a big difference. Before you leave, I have a small homework for you. Write your self introduction in the comments below using 5 simple sentences. I'll read your comments and try to reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who is learning English. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English every single day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.